I am not capricious, nor am I given to cruel acts for their own sakes. It is simply a fact that you and your kind have trespassed, and thus invited extermination. Curse you for putting me to this inconvenience.
Anrakyr the Traveler is a nomadic Necron overlord affiliated with no dynasty. Venturing from one tomb world to another to aid the Necron dynasties wherever he roams, Anrakyr in more ways than one is a peculiar individual. Rising from his dormancy after the Great Sleep, retaining his full cognition, Anrakyr with his revival sought one goal foremost in his mind: to unite the Necron dynasties. Abdicating his responsibilities of his own tomb world of Pyrea, Anrakyr led his army of the Undying from conflict to conflict to awaken and unify his people. Finding much to have changed a great deal whilst he slumbered, the maps and records of old made available to Anrakyr no longer bear semblance to such a benighted galaxy. Several planets had been destroyed, warp storms blighted the stars, and time and space fluctuated abnormally, causing stasis worlds to perish due to shifts in tectonic upheaval, alien-caused war zones, and meteor strikes of unknown origin. Finding tomb worlds to be infested with verminous aliens such as the humans, Tau, and Orcs, Anrakyr's task to cleanse such planets is exacerbated by virtue of his meager military and resources. Filled with rage upon finding tomb worlds to be picked clean by lesser species, his wrath is keenly felt by any scavengers found to have stolen from the Necrons. Enacting wars against such thieving aliens, Anrakyr allies himself with such tomb worlds' remaining forces to avenge their desecration. Fortunate to find rare tomb worlds unmolested by the ravages of war or pillaging, Anrakyr, upon discovery of such holdouts, requests tithes from their ruling overlords. Rejection to pay such tithes incurs reprisal from the Traveler, which bodes ill for tomb worlds freshly awakened and in a state of disarray. Due to such deeds, it is no surprise that Anrakyr has earned a somewhat controversial reputation, for while many consider him an avatar of nobility and duty to his people, others decry him as an honorless brigand and severe threat to those tomb worlds still yet to be revived. His armies diminished and ravaged by countless years of war, Anrakyr's forces are constantly on the brink of collapse. Accompanied by a cadre of Pyrean Eternals during battle, the last members of his once vast immortal legion are efficient and completely loyal to his cause. Exerting his command of not only his forces, but even the mechanical infrastructure of his foes, Anrakyr is capable of turning his enemies' targeting systems and weaponry upon their own battle lines. Eliminating the Cadian 207th during the ruin of Modigar, the Silver Skulls chapter of Astartes during the Battle of Dreadpeak with the death of their chapter master, and the annihilation of both the Tau and Tyrannid during the harvest of Kamais, Anrakyr has proven himself to be a capable and merciless commander. Awakening several dynasties and further consolidating the strength of the Necrons, Anrakyr's quest shall not end until the galaxy is once again dominated by the rulers of the stars. Yet much work remains to be done, and so the Traveler continues his journey to unite his people.